Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our 3Commas update. So this is the second time I'm actually recording this video because I messed it up the first time. It didn't record properly. But anyway, so over to the charts. Basically we've not had another good day. Down I think about $30 today. Only trading the small size though, but look, you can obviously see why we've not got any trending action at all. Price is pretty much contained within this $100 region, and we're just basically price flipping, chopping our way through here. That's obviously the opposite of what the bot needs. This is basically how the bot does well when we get trending moves and larger volatility. So you can see we had nice sell trades here and a nice move down, and then buy trades here and a nice move up. That's the sort of thing the bot looks for. How it trades, obviously at the moment we don't have that. We don't have that's just not the market condition. So the bot just won't do very well in these conditions. So it's not a problem though. It's just how it is. It's just you go through these periods. The bot is trading in small size, so I wouldn't, if I was trading this bot normally, like as in a proper full size, I would just turn it off in these conditions. But what I am doing, just for the sake of these videos, I'm going to keep it running all the time. And what I will do is I'll increase and decrease the size of the positions it takes, just so that I'll obviously control the risk that way. So we're literally at the lowest setting now anyway though, so these are the lowest settings, and once we start to get better market conditions I'll then increase the size. I'm also looking to add a few more bots as well, but obviously the problem I've got is that I want to add the bots when the market's trading better, when the conditions are trading better, because that's how you trade. You add to positions when they're doing well, and then you don't add when they're not doing well. So I'm not going to add bots now, or increase position size when it isn't performing that well. So yeah, that's the total so far. $31 down today, $109 down in total. So I'll show you the deal history. We're running at 73 deals now, but yeah, it's just bad market conditions. It's bad timing with starting the bot. It is what it is though. This is how it works. If you leave these running all the time, you will go through periods where they won't do well when the market's not doing anything. We can see if we scroll all the way along here, the market hasn't really gone far. It hasn't really trended. It's only sort of wicked and moved and stayed in the same zone. So these are difficult market conditions. Obviously before that it was trading a bit better. We were getting more overall movement. You can see we obviously moved all the way down there, down here again. I mean, obviously you can see, but if you compare that to what we've got going on now, we're not basically going anywhere. So yeah, tough times for the bots, but like I said, it's just how it is. You get these market conditions. Bots don't work all the time. It's not designed to make money in this market condition. It is not designed to sell once the market moves up this far. It's designed to buy and then capture a big move, and it's not designed to buy when the market moves down here. Well, obviously not that bit there. It's not designed to basically buy and sell when we're moving, when we're not moving. So it's not designed to buy once we move down a tiny bit or sell once we move up a tiny bit. So yeah, that's just is what it is. So not much else I can say other than that. I've done my Bitcoin video. If you want to check that out, where I think price is going, I think we are going to have to start trending and start moving soon. Otherwise, well, we just will, because low volatility leads to high volatility. So, and then obviously vice versa. So yes, we obviously look forward to getting some volatility in the market. So yeah, other than that, not much else to say bot wise. Just an update. 73 deals so far, down $109. You can see I mean, a lot of the losses aren't that big. Relatively smallish losses. Look, $6, $1, $12, $5, $4. Couple of better wins, $16, $5, $10, but then $2, $9. I mean, it is what it is. We'll probably lose more trades overall than we win, but we will just bag some big winners and we won't really bag any big losses. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. So remember, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and yeah, and I'll speak to you guys soon.